We welcome you to school today, school today, school today. We welcome you to school today. Please come and play. We are glad to have you here today, here today, here today. We are glad to have you here today. Yes, it's a special day. Welcome, welcome, bacho, welcome to this new and beautiful, beautiful, beautiful day. Chalo, now we'll sing We Shall Overcome. And I'm looking at every one of you, each one of you. Okay, start. We shall overcome. We shall overcome. We shall overcome one day. Oh, deep in my heart, I do believe that we shall overcome one day. We shall walk hands in hands, we shall walk hands in hands, we shall walk hands in hands one day. Oh, deep in my heart, I do believe that we shall overcome one day. Okay, come on now, stand up for national anthem. Everyone, stand up for national anthem. Kusmita, switch on the camera. And Harshit, switch on the camera. Come on, stand up, everyone. Okay. Now, thumbs inside, fingers on the top, and hands by your side. Attention. Now, no one is going to move. Start. Gaurav, do not look here and there. जन गण मन अधिनायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता पंजाब सिंध गुजरात मराठा द्राविड़ उत्कल बंग विंध्य हिमाचल यमुना गंगा उज्जल जलधि तरंग तब शुभ नामे जागे तब शुभ आशीष मांगे गाहे तब जय गाथा जन गण मंगलदायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता जय हे जय हे जय हे जय 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 हे जय हिंद. Chalo, now sit down. Okay, so kids, now tell me who has written national anthem. National anthem किसने लिखा है? Rabindranath Tagore. Rabindranath Tagore has written our national anthem. Okay, chalo, now let's talk about the day and the date. So today, the day is Friday. What is the day today? Today is Friday. And the date is 12/11/2021. 12/11 कौन सा month है? November. November is the 11th month. So 12 November 2021. Chalo, now quickly revise the weekdays and the month's name. How many days are there in a week? How many days? There are 7 days. Those who are not giving answer now, those who don't want to sit in the class, I'll remove you from the class if you are not paying attention here. So there are 7 days in a week: Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, and Sunday. And Sunday is the holiday. Okay, now tell me how many months are there in a year? एक year में कितने months होते हैं? 12. There are 12 months in a year. Start. January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, and December. Okay, chalo. Now kids, let's start the class. So, first of all, we are going to write the weekdays. Okay. So अभी हमने पढ़ा how many days are there in a week, ये आपको पता ही है. कौन से कितने days होते? 7 days are there in a week. Okay. So come on, get your literacy workbook. Your literacy workbook. And open page number 3 to 32. Page number 3 to 32. Okay. Come on. So what you have to do first? First of all, yes, the books and all page number you all have to take out. Do not ask your mummy or papa to do it for you. ठीक है? Now you are grown up. अब आप book भी देख सकते हैं, पढ़ सकते हो. You can read now, and you can open the page as well. So open it yourself. आप खुद open करो. Page number 32. Page number 3 to 32. Find out. ये देखो यहाँ पर कॉर्नर पे नंबर्स लिखे होते हैं पेज नंबर. पेज नंबर्स आर रिटन हियर. So look here and open page number 3 to 32. And after opening the page, write down the heading 12/11/2021. (12/11/2021). Okay, the literacy workbook. Literacy workbook, page number 3 to 32. Okay, so write down the date first, 12/11/2021. Write down everyone, then we'll start. Of the weekdays loudly. MONDAY. Monday. Then after Monday, Tuesday. TUES. Tuesday. DAY. Day. Tuesday. TUES. DAY. Day. Tuesday. Do not write. ये आपको लिखना नहीं है. You have to say it. Come on. TUESDAY. Tuesday. Now, after Tuesday, Wednesday. WED. Wed. Then NES. Nes. Wet. Nes. And DAY. Day. Wednesday. My voice is not audible. Everyone, am I audible to you? Am I audible? Hannah? Okay, thanks. Mishti, you check from your side, beta. WEDNESDAY. Wednesday. Bolo chalo, come on. Say it. WEDNESDAY. Wednesday. Then after Wednesday, Thursday. THURS. 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 Day. 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 Thursday. THURS. Thursday. Thursday. Then after Thursday, Friday. 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 Bolo, come on, say Friday. 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 Then after Friday, Saturday. SATUR. Saturday. DAY. Day. Saturday. SATURDAY. Day. Saturday. Saturday. And the last one is Sunday. 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 Okay, chalo. Now we'll start our book work. Come on. Okay. So, come on, look in your book. The first point. Dash comes after Sunday. Book में देखो अपनी first point. Look in your book, first point. Dash comes after Sunday. यहाँ पर आपसे पूछा after मतलब क्या होता है? बाद में. What do you mean by after? बाद में. So you have to say what comes after Sunday. Sunday के बाद क्या आता है? What comes after Sunday? Monday. Monday comes after Sunday. So we have to write Monday here. MONDAY. Monday. In the first blank, यहाँ पर first blank में you have to write Monday. Monday comes after Sunday. Sunday के बाद कौन सा day आता है? Which day comes after Sunday? Monday. Number 2. Number 2 is Monday comes before. Read the second sentence. Monday comes before. Monday किसके पहले आता है? Monday comes before. Before मतलब पहले. Monday किसके पहले आता है? किसके पहले आता है Monday? Tuesday. So write down Tuesday. 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 Monday comes before Tuesday. Monday Tuesday के पहले आता है. Write down. Done? Chalo. Now number 3. Dash comes after Tuesday. So Tuesday के बाद क्या आता है? What comes after Tuesday? Tuesday के बाद क्या आता है? Monday, Tuesday and Wednesday. So write down Wednesday. W E D N E S D A Y. Wednesday. W E D wet N E S NUS D A Y day. Wednesday. मैम ने आपको कल बताया था ना, आई टोल्ड यू whenever you face any problem in the spelling or the spelling is very big or something, so what you have to do, you have to just break it down. तो हम वेडनेसडे को भी ऐसे ही कर सकते हैं. फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल राइट डाउन WED वेड, then NES and DAY day. Wednesday. Then number 4. Number 4 is Wednesday comes before. Wednesday किसके पहले आता है? कौन से डे के पहले आता है Wednesday? It comes before Thursday. Uday, cover your mouth. How many times I told you? Huh? Always cover your mouth while coughing, yawning, sneezing. So Thursday. Wednesday comes before Thursday. Wednesday Thursday के पहले आता है. THURSDAY. 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 बोल कर लिखो, say and write. In the message, it was written literacy skill book. Okay, ma'am. हाँ, तो this is workbook only. Ma'am, तो listen. In the class only I told ना in the beginning कि you have to open your literacy workbook. मैंने अभी क्लास में बताया था स्टार्टिंग में कि you have to open literacy workbook. 2-3 times I told. Might be there's some mistake in the message, but in the class only I told you. I told everyone. Okay. ठीक है ma'am. So it is in workbook only. In the class only I had told 2-3 times that you have to open literacy skill book. Okay, ma'am. Thursday. Then number 5. Number 5th is dash comes after Thursday. अब आपको बताना है after मतलब you all know मतलब बाद में. तो Thursday के बाद में कौन सा डे आता है? ठीक है, Thursday के बाद कौन सा डे आता है? तो what comes after Thursday? Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. Friday comes after Thursday. So you have to write Friday here. Say the spelling. Whatever you are writing, you should read it first. Then only you are going to learn it and you are going to understand it. अगर सिर्फ हम लिखते लिखते रहेंगे तो हमें कुछ समझ में नहीं आएगा. ठीक है? So it is very important to read it. All right? Friday, Friday. Friday, Friday, Friday. Now, so as I don't have space here, so can I write it there? Ma'am, copy checking ka will let you know. Parents, I know copy checking ka hai, but we'll let you know about it. Okay. And regarding the test, I'll send the message regarding it. जब भी test होंगे. All right. So as I don't have a space here, so I'm writing it there. Number 6. I think it's not visible. So I'll erase this. Ma'am, you just carefully read the sentence. Wednesday comes before. Wednesday कौन से डे के पहले आता है? Wednesday कौन से डे के पहले आता है? So Wednesday Thursday के पहले आता है. That's why we had written Thursday. You just read the sentence carefully. ठीक है? You just read the sentence carefully. उसमें लिखा है Wednesday कौन से डे के पहले आता है? तो Thursday के पहले आता है. That's why we had written Thursday. Now number 6. Friday comes before. Friday कौन से डे के पहले आता है? Friday comes before Saturday. Friday comes before Saturday. So what we have to write? We have to write Saturday. So S-A-T, Sat, S-A-T, Sat, R, U-R-R, Saturn, and D-A-Y, day, Saturday. Divit's mother, ma'am, you got my point? What I'm trying to say? आपको कोई confusion है आपको? Kindly let me know and write in the chat box. Saturday. Friday comes before Saturday. Friday किसके पहले आता है? Saturday के पहले. All right. Navya, have you written the spelling of Monday, Tuesday? Or shall I write it again? कोई भी अगर पीछे हो तो you let me know. I'll just write down the spellings once again. ठीक है? Now number 7th. Come on. I'll now read the 7th point. Dash comes after Saturday. Ma'am, kindly read the sentence carefully. 4th sentence. Wednesday comes before. Wednesday कौन से डे के पहले आता है? तो कौन से डे के पहले आता है? It's come before Thursday. That's why we had written Thursday here now number 4th. Don't get confused. Now last one, number 7th is dash comes after Saturday. Saturday के बाद कौन सा आता है? Dash comes after Saturday. Saturday के बाद कौन सा डे आता है? So what comes after Saturday? Sunday. S-U-N-D-A-Y. Sunday. S-U-N-D-A-Y. Sunday. Parents, don't get confused. You just read the sentences carefully. Okay. Fourth number you are telling, so just read the sentence, fourth sentence carefully. Wednesday comes before Thursday. Wednesday कौन से day के पहले आता है? Thursday के पहले आता है. That's why we had written Thursday. ठीक है? So basically we have to write down the names of weekdays from Monday to Sunday. ठीक है? Done? Any problem? Anyone? Any confusion? You let me know. I'll make it clear.